So here we go. You can see the trees next door are whipping. There are palm trees. Just whipping. Yeah, we're in a tornado. See all the trees behind us. Oh, there's more water from the fountain. I'm not going out there to turn it off. Next door's trees again. There are trees. Just flying around. And trees over there. There are other trees. It's amazing. You can see a little, it's more gray. It looks blue, but it's gray. Gray on gray. It is our tornado. And Kiki, they're seeing what, Mama? It's calming down a little bit here. Although you never know. And the plant's next door. There's the swing. I tied it on earlier this week, so hopefully it'll stay. The chairs on the patio are moving. Wow. Oh, there's fountain water again on the window here. Wow, this is a long one. Doopy-doo-doo-doo. There's that tree. I hope that tree doesn't break again. Nice. Our little peacock is going. What's going on, Cake? I know it's wind. Yeah, it's wind. Poor Wrigley's in the bathroom. Scared. Well, calming down a little bit. Yay. Well, a little taste of our windstorm.